Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today, we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on October 30th, 2025, just yesterday. The big idea is AutoDeco, which lets a language model learn its own decoding settings at each token, and it consistently beats default sampling while matching an Oracle-tuned baseline with gaps under 1 point. The paper is titled, "The End of Manual Decoding Towards Truly End-to-End Language Models." And as we'll see later, the implications for controllable end-to-end generation are quite significant. Also, the authors shared an official AutoDeco repo. You'll find the full code to add token-level temperature and TopP heads to popular LLMs, ready to run training and evaluation scripts, TRL and VLLM, example data format, quick start and requirements, model wrappers, and utilities to split or merge the lightweight heads for deployment. Figure 1 contrasts dynamic end-to-end decoding with manual decoding. The top panel shows small heads that read the hidden state and predict temperature, which sets randomness, and TopP, which keeps only the most likely tokens for sampling. The left module illustrates these heads attached to the transformer, so the choices update each token. The bottom panel depicts manual decoding that fixes one set of values for the whole sequence, which misses context shifts. So Figure 1 showed why dynamic decoding matters. Figure 2 shows how a soft TopP mechanism makes that possible by replacing the hard cutoff with a smooth decay, which keeps gradients flowing for training. Nucleus sampling means keeping only the smallest set of high probability tokens whose cumulative mass passes a threshold, and the soft version gently down weights the rest instead of zeroing them. The left panel contrasts the traditional step function mask with the smooth mask that decays after the threshold. The right panel illustrates an example distribution where probabilities beyond the threshold taper to near zero, so the final distribution remains differentiable. Alright, Table 1 reports math accuracy under Passet 1, which means the answer must be correct on the first try. The table shows that AutoDeco beats greedy search and default sampling across all 4 model families. For Llama Nematron 8B, the average rises to about 46, which is roughly a 3-point gain over the default. Similar gains appear for the QN and OpenAI models, so the pattern looks consistent. So, Table 2 reports out-of-domain pass at 1 and shows that the learned decoding transfers across general question answering, code, and instruction following. Across all model families, it delivers the best average in each block. For Llama Nematron 8B, the average sits around 50, which signals strong generalization. For R1 Distill QN 7B, the average is about 47. So the dynamic policy adapts toward deterministic or stochastic settings as needed. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. Token-level control of temperature and TopP makes decoding truly end-to-end and measurably better than default settings, and a soft TopP mask keeps it trainable while adding almost no latency. The broader implication is steerable, instruction-guided generation without hand-tuning. Thanks for listening. I am Alex.